All right, guys, so this is Ed from Rolling Museums. I got an interesting call while we were out here at Lake Tahoe. A new friend of mine, Mr. Steve Austin, is looking to sell his Buick. So we're going to see if we can put the deal together real quick. Steve, can you tell them a little bit where you got the car?
Man, I got this car out of Austin, Texas about 3 or 4 years ago when I reconnected with my uncle. And it's pretty much an all original car. The chrome has been redone, a partial respray, but it's very original. 45,000 original miles. I rebuilt the transmission. It's 3-speed on the column. And it's just a solid, good looking car that don't drive enough. And I need something 4-wheel drive, so I decided to go ahead and turn it loose. You can't find it. You would look long and hard to find one that is as clean as original as this car is.
Well, good. Well, we're going to try to put the deal together, and hopefully Steve don't beat me up too bad.
And that's the bottom line, because Ed said so.